Yo, what's up guys? This is my origin server and we just had our end fight, so I just did a little bit of a cinematic scene for it, and it was me and my teammate versus 3 other people, so I hope you guys enjoy.
Come and get your wigs lit with the S on your chest. See how buck we get, boy, you niggas talking shit. Come and get your wigs lit with the S on your chest. See how buck we get, boy, you niggas talking shit. Come and get your wigs lit with the S on your chest. See how buck we get, boy, you niggas talking shit. Come and get your wigs lit.
Дрифт? Да. В каком это смысле? Знаешь, есть такая знаменитая картина. Там, где женщина все время улыбается. Мона Лиза. О, правильно, Мона Лиза. Ну так вот, эта машина Мона Лиза дрифт-гонка. Хан по полной программе ее нашпиговал. Кованые поршни. Твин турбо. Поставил новый коленвал, новые штоки. Чувствуешь, к чему я веду, чувак? Давай, за 40 секунд основы дрифта. Есть куча методов пустить тачку в дрифт. Проще всего ручником. Поэтому первое дело — дерни ручник. Дернул, не забывай поддерживать обороты. Главное — не покалечь Мону Лизу, ладно? Дерзай.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the hype, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you ride around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low key. I'm sipping low key at Onyx, find a rider. I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those numbers, I'm way too young, yeah. It's way too young, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I get those goosebumps every time.
From the north, he from the wash out my wrist, it go like
The end fight turned out a victory for us, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am planning a bunch more videos. I actually have one that's gonna come out pretty soon, so make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned and wait until my next video comes out.